Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Do Now. Here we go. What is the volume of this square pyramid? So when it says square pyramid, it means that this base is a square. This base is a square, so it's missing a side, but if it's a square, you should know the other side. Ready, set, A, B, C, D, go. All right, let's see what we got. Here it is. Okay, so if it's a square, that means all sides are 6. So it doesn't matter that it looks like that. That's just it's slanted like that, so it looks like a parallelogram, just for three-dimensional purposes. Okay, it's not really like that. It just appears that way so you can draw a three-dimensional shape. So the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height, and the base is a square, so that's going to be 6 times 6. The height here is 9. Boom. Okay, so get our calculator. 1/3 times 6 times 6 times 9 is 108. 108 inches cubed. There we go. Inches cubed. Why is it inches cubed? Because we're 3 dimensions, right? There we go. So the answer to number 1 was C. Okay. Here, try this one. Ooh, blast from the past. Triangular prism. How much water goes in here? So that means it's a volume. It doesn't say volume. Ready, set, go. All right, let's try it. Boom. Okay. So, volume of a prism is area of the base times the height. The base here is the triangle. So there's another triangle here, but you can't really see it because it's hidden by the rest of the sides. So, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height right there, times the height, or in this case, I'm going to put L for the length. So that's going to be 41 right there. So the triangle, the base is here. Here's the height. So the base, 18. So if that's 18, this is also 18. Add that to your picture. So 18 is the base, height is 20. There we go. And the length or the height of the whole thing, it's length in this chord. If it was like standing straight up, it would be the height. But length or height, same thing. It's 41 right here. Okay, let's try it. 1/2 times 18 times 20 times 41 is 7,380. It's not going to be approximate. I'm just going to put equal straight up. That's going to be inches cubed again, 7,380. Yeah. So that's going to be C again. C. All right, now here's a double. Let's see if you can do it. Here's the Mastery in Advanced problem for today. What is the volume of that? Ooh, I see 2 parts. That's all I'm going to say. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see. All right, so it looks like this. Here's my drawing. Should have had a drawing of it. Looks like this, kind of. So I see a cube here. I don't know it's a cube because all the sides are congruent, the length, width, and height. And then I see a pyramid on the top. So I'm going to find the volume of the cube first. So that's going to be area of the base times the height. The base here is 5 times 5. Broke the pencil. Times another 5, which is the height. So it's just side to the 3rd power, you can also say. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125 inches cubed. So that's the volume of the cube. Now you need to find the volume of the pyramid, which is 1/3 area of the base times the height. Okay, so here's the base. Ooh, if that's 5 times 5, it's a cube. This is also the base. That's also 5 times 5. So it's 1/3, 5 times 5. There's another square pyramid right here. 5 times 5. And the height is right here, which is 6. So 1/3 times 5 times 5 times 6 is 50 inches cubed. All right, so what do I do next? So if this is 50 inches cubed, the pyramid, and the cube is 125 inches cubed, what's the last thing I need to do to find the total volume? Yeah, add them up. 50 plus 125 is 175. Oops, sorry, I can't see that. 175. There we go. So the answer is D. Good work, everybody.